What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we're doing something a little bit different. Today we're gonna be recreating K-pop outfits. I'm so excited. I've been meaning to do a video like this for literally forever, so I'm so excited I'm finally getting around to it. Comment down below right now, what is your favorite K-pop band / K-pop artist? If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see me recreating some iconic K-pop outfits, then without further ado, let's get into it. Let's start off strong with this outfit by Miss Jennie Kim from Blackpink. Honestly, this outfit is just chef's kiss. It is one of her stage outfits and I just fell in love with it. It's such a like weird mix of a bandeau over a shirt with a tie. I love the skirt and I literally managed to find such similar items, you guys are gonna die. So starting out with the top, I have this right here, which is basically a shirt that already comes with a clip-on tie. It's cropped, so it's going to be perfect with a little bandeau layered over the top. It's not going to get too bulky under there. By the way, everything you guys are going to see in this video is from Shein, but this video is not sponsored or affiliated with Shein in any way. Shein is literally like my go-to whenever I do like a recreating outfits video because they have such a huge catalog of like everything you could ever need. So yeah, that's the top. Now to layer the little bandeau over the top, I managed to find this tiny little pink bandeau with straps just like hers. The only thing it doesn't have is obviously the cross. She has like this sort of like gothic cross on the front. I feel like you could totally use like a Cricut machine or like hot iron and just like place that little cross over the front if you really wanted to replicate that outfit exactly. And lastly, I have the skirt, which actually comes as a part of like a two-piece outfit, but we're not going to need the top. The skirt was literally just perfect. It is so similar. I cannot believe it. I mean, looking at the picture of her skirt, she's got a little bit more green, whereas this one doesn't have any green. It's got more pinks and purples, but like the style and the color and even the way that the checkered pattern goes across the band like this is literally exactly the same. I even picked up a little clip-in bow to kind of place right there like hers. So let's go pop this outfit on and see how it looks. All right, so here's the first outfit and what it looks like on. Honestly, I love how this pulled together. It's definitely not the kind of outfit I would ever put together myself. I just feel like this combo of the top is so weird to me, but somehow it just works, and I feel like it works so nicely with the skirt as well. This skirt is super skimpy. I feel like the one that she was wearing was definitely slightly longer, but this was the only thing I could find, so I feel like it's good enough. I've also added the little bow clip in my hair just like Jennie's, and honestly I feel like this whole outfit is just so close to her one. As far as recreating outfits with other pieces of clothing that aren't the exact copy of the clothing goes, I feel like I've done a pretty good job. I'm gonna give myself a 10 out of 10 for this one. Moving on to the next outfit, we're now gonna be recreating this outfit. It's literally iconic. This is the band called Red Velvet, and this was one of their like stage performance outfits. I absolutely love it. I think it's my favorite of their outfits like ever. It's giving milkmaid kind of vibes. I love it. So first up, we have this adorable white dress. This is giving very cottagecore. As you can see, it's got that square neckline, it's got the corset sort of effect. It then has this see-through kind of bell sleeve, and then as it gets to the bottom, it's super poofy, but I felt like it wouldn't be enough without a petticoat, so I actually also picked up a petticoat. I felt like all of their dresses just had a little bit more volume, so that's why I picked this up. It's not exactly huge, but I feel like it will just give it a little bit more volume, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how that will work. Now, I think the thing that really makes this outfit for me is like that juxtaposition of like super girly and flirty dresses, but then they have like these gothic kind of corsets and gothic shoes. So of course I did buy a black corset, and this actually came with black like lacing, so I switched it out for some white ones, and this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks exactly like theirs. I'm literally so excited. I hope this outfit is gonna go together how I imagine in my head. And lastly, we cannot forget the shoes. The shoes were just iconic. They're very tall and high boots, which lace up all the way up. This is the ones that I found on Shein, and I feel like they're very similar in style. It's got the silver eyelets, just like theirs did. It's got the super chunky heel. I'm honestly obsessed. I feel like this outfit is gonna be so similar, so let's pop it on and see how it looks. All right, guys, here is the full outfit and what it looks like on. Oh my gosh, again, I'm just in love with this whole fit. I feel like I've managed to replicate this outfit so well that I could almost be a part of the band. I'm obviously kidding. I'm literally the worst at dancing or singing, so I would definitely not fit in. But yeah, this is what the dress looks like on. As you can see, it definitely has that poofiness to it. It just looks so good, and the corset looks so similar to theirs as well. I feel like that white lace up as the stitching definitely makes all the difference. And lastly, the shoes. The shoes are so similar to what they were wearing as well, and they're so comfy. I low-key just want to wear this outfit out and about. I feel like this would have been such a great outfit to wear to like a beer festival. It's giving Oktoberfest. I don't know why, but it just is. So yeah, let me know what you guys rate this outfit out of 10. I actually think I did a pretty good job again, so I'm gonna give myself a 10 out of 10 on this one. All right, now the next outfit we're gonna be recreating is one of these, which I feel like they're all similar but different in their own way. This is the band Twice, and honestly, I just love their vibe. I love their music, but their outfits are always just killer. So the dress that I picked up is this one. Now, it's actually not exactly the same as any of theirs because it was very hard to pinpoint like a specific style that was exact, but I felt like this one was closest to this particular dress, so I kind of just went with it. It's exactly the same fabric. It's that pink and white tweed sort of fabric. It's giving Chanel, you know. I absolutely love the little like fake pockets. The buttons are gorgeous. It's a short sleeve dress, so this will be perfect for like spring and summer. And it kind of has like that A-line sort of shape, which was very similar to the dress I was trying to recreate. So that's basically the base of the outfit. There's not too much going on. She did, however, accessorize with a pearlescent kind of belt. So I picked up this one. It was the closest thing I could find, but actually I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's literally so cute. It has like a little dangly bit, just like hers did. So I have high hopes for this outfit. All right, so here is the next outfit, and this one was probably the most simple to recreate because it really just consists of this dress and this little belt. But I have to say, I do pride myself in trying to find the most accurate pieces, and I feel like although this isn't exact, it is very, very similar, enough so that you would know what I'm trying to do here. Let's just say in a lineup of all the girls, I feel like this dress definitely belongs. It's actually a really nice fit. It's not super like body tight, but it's a really nice casual fit, and I think it would be great for every day. As for the belt, I feel like again it's not exact, but this tiered kind of thing going on here is definitely similar enough. So on a scale of how close I think I recreated this outfit, I'm gonna have to say like a 7 out of 10 this time. All right, I feel like it's time to spice things up a little bit and maybe go down a little bit more of a grungy kind of route. We're now gonna be recreating this outfit from the band called ITZY, and honestly, again, I just feel like all of their looks are just so cohesive. I love the schoolgirl baseball kind of jacket vibe. I think it's so cool. So the outfit in particular that I really wanted to recreate was this one. So I found this skirt, which is pretty much exactly the same. It's got that red tartan kind of vibe. It's super, super short and slightly pleated. It then even came with a belt that literally looks so similar to the one that she was wearing. It's like a silver chain link kind of belt. How punk is that? That is so cool. I feel like these together are really giving Nana Osaki vibes. I'm in love. Now, the baseball jacket that I found wasn't exactly what I was looking for. It's a lot more plain than the ones that they're wearing because they have so many like little badges. They're very colorful. But the closest thing I could find was this, and it's not really giving the same kind of vibe, I don't think. But it's similar in the sense that it's a cropped baseball jacket. It does have one little patch, and then obviously the color of the body and the sleeves are the same. So hopefully this will look just as good. Now for the shoes, I picked up these little bad boys, which I love the look of. I feel like these are like your typical Lolita kind of shoes, and honestly, I've never owned a pair like this, so I'm really excited and see how I can style these. I love how chunky the sole of the shoe is, and of course, I am gonna pair these with some white knee-high kind of socks, just like they did in their outfits. So let's bring it all together and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the next outfit. Honestly, I love how punk rock this one is. It's just so edgy. I'm so here for it. Like I said, the jacket isn't exactly what I imagined for this outfit, but it was the best I could find. But I feel like you can definitely still get the vibe of the original outfit. I just paired it with a black belt to match the original outfit. The chain is definitely looking on point. And I also popped on some white knee-high socks, and then the shoes just look so adorable. I think if the jacket just had a little bit of color and a little bit more like patches attached to it, it would have just looked so good. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit. I'm loving it. I'm gonna give this probably like an 8 out of 10. Okay, moving on to the next one. We are recreating another outfit by Jennie Kim from Blackpink. Here is the outfit in question. I just found it so adorable. I love the lilac kind of jacket that she's sporting in this outfit, and the bag even matches. How perfect. So first up, we have the top, which I managed to find the almost exact same top, but just not in the right color. The one that she was wearing was like a really subtle blue, and I just could not find one like that, so I went for this white one instead. As you can see, it's also got that like super huge bow kind of vibe to it. The straps are adjustable, and then it should be quite stretchy because the back is kind of like ruched. I feel like style-wise, this is literally spot on, but just the color is different. Now, the jacket she was wearing, I fell in love with. I couldn't find anything like it though in that color, so I had to settle for this cardigan. So I feel like the color, we get points for that, but it is a cardigan, so it's not quite the same. It has got that round neck though, just like the jacket, so I'm hoping it's gonna give a similar vibe. She was then wearing some pretty basic kind of like loose jeans on her bottoms, so I picked up these, and color-wise, again, I feel like they match quite well. They're kind of like that bluey, greeny, sort of washed out kind of denim, so I really like these. They're very straight-legged. And lastly, we cannot forget the bag. The bag that she's wearing is obviously designer. I just found this one, which I felt like was the closest in color / size. So let's pop this outfit on and see if we can channel Jennie. So here is Jennie's outfit. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. I mean, comparing this to the original outfit, I feel like there's so many similarities, but obviously it's not exact. I tried so hard to find the exact pieces that were just literally a replica of what she was wearing, but it was near enough impossible. I mean, let's just point out the fact that I think her top is probably Chanel, and so was her handbag, so obviously it's not gonna be the same. But I feel like this top is close enough. Like, it has the same sort of bow design. It's not quite the color, but it's similar. I think the color scheme of the purples I definitely did quite well at, and the jeans are honestly so nice. I think color and fit wise, the jeans are pretty similar. I think that's probably the most similar thing out of this whole outfit. Let me know what you guys think of this one. How well did I do? I think on this one I probably didn't do as well as I hoped, so I think I'm gonna have to give this probably like a 5 out of 10. Now, to conclude this video, the last outfit we're gonna be recreating is one from Red Velvet. This is one that was worn by Irene. It's giving air hostess. So the base of the outfit is kind of like a white necktie sort of shirt. We obviously need that iconic neck bow, so I have this one. I don't know if it's giving the same vibe, but it's going to be covered mostly by the jacket, so it should be all right. So long as we can get that huge bow in the middle, I feel like we should be good. We then have the cropped red jacket. Not gonna lie, this is totally gonna need steam, but it's got that sort of like gold hardware, which is exactly how hers was. It's got padding in the shoulders, but it's pretty thin, I'm not gonna lie, so I don't know if the quality is gonna be up to par. And lastly, we have the skirt. Now, the closest one I could find was this one. It's got the buttons down the side, just like hers did, and also the buttons happen to match the ones on the jacket, so I felt like this was a pretty good sort of match. I don't know if this is gonna give the same energy, in all honesty, now that I've seen the items, but let's try it out anyway. All right, so here's the next outfit. I steamed the jacket, and it actually isn't as bad as I thought it would be. The bow on this top is absolutely ginormous, just like in the photo, so I'm so happy about that. Obviously, the fabric of the shirt is completely different. This one is a lot more like flimsy in and loose, whereas the original shirt looked a little bit more structured. So I probably should have gone for more of like a typical cotton shirt kind of fabric, but this was the only one they really had. As for the jacket and the skirt, I actually have to say it looks very, very similar in my opinion to the original outfit. So I'm gonna say I did a pretty good job again. Personally, I think this outfit was the hardest to replicate because I couldn't find a matching co-ord. So this jacket and the skirt are just completely separate items. They were not a co-ord, which is why the color might vary just a slight. I don't know if this is my favorite outfit because I just do feel like an air hostess, but I feel like Irene rocked it so much. So here is the recreation. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's video. Let me know which one of these outfits was your favorite and how you think I did at recreating them. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below, and also let me know what other outfits you would like to see me recreate next time in the comments below. But anyways, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.